these are the blue lifts at Wellington Hospital, and this is sadly a last chance to see as they have started replacement of these lifts now. What's this now? 1,814 kgs or 26 persons. Tell you what, yep, the fences are up. So down we go. Hopefully we don't stop. It's sad, but it's not surprising though, as these lifts have actually become quite unreliable now.
I don't believe it. Oh, it's this one again. Classic levelling. Go back to level 3. Nice original interior. There we go. There it goes.
These are the blue lifts at Wellington Hospital. They are 70s Otis Exxon lifts with touch sensitive. Oh, looks like we're stopping. Going up? What floor do you want to go to?
11, please.
Looks like they've fixed the floor indicator.
Yeah.
Here's 11.
Thank you.
Just up to 12 now. Here we are at level 12. Just go back to 3. They're actually pointless. Yes, the bell works. I've got C4. I think this one will take just one way to level 3. Down we go. But still, though 5, 4 and 3 are still burnt out. Here we are back at 3. There it goes. And that's it. The new blue lifts are finally operational. You've still got the old call button here, but the lifts, as you can see, have been deactivated. Let's see which one will it be. I think it's going to be C2. So these are Schindler 7000s, and these have only entered service within the last month And much like the CSB freight lifts, these have got bilingual voice announcements as well. I've got angled displays though, which is kind of interesting. You can see into the shaft of the other two there. And you can even see all the way up the shaft too, because the shaft lights are on. Right, up we go. So these are Schindler 7000s, much like the purple lifts. Up we go. Hopefully we won't stop. Oh yeah, we're stopping.
Doors opening.
Going up?
Yep.
Which floor are you going to?
Pop up to a 5. Doors closing. Take your copy. Mark code. Doors opening.
There we go. Cheers.
Level 10. Doors closing. Take their copy. Mark the code.
We are up at level 12.
Doors opening. Take their ticket. Mark the code.
Where are you going? Level 3?
Yep.
Papa Nicole Maria, doors closing. Take a copy, master code.
This is free.
Thank you.
Doors opening.
You're welcome.
Thanks.
Level
All good.
3.
So 1,814 kgs or 24 persons.
Master code.
Right, here we are back down at level
Doors
2.
opening. Take a ticket, master code.
I've got the ability to cancel calls as well.
Doors closing.
Right, up we go.
Master code.
Now up at level 12 we'll swap over for the other lift, eh? So the back of the cab wall is covered up for some reason. I don't know if that's because they're doing any construction work anywhere or whatever. Or what.
Level 12. Papa Nicole Maria.
See down the shaft too.
Ooh, that's a bit creepy.
Yep. Right. Can see down. Right, so here we are. So there's the motor room up there, I think it is. C1 stopped on 11. Let's see, can you see what's happening over there? Currently in the process of dismantling C4 and the new lift car for level. They're currently in the process of dismantling car C4 and the new lift car for C3 is already well under construction. So we've got lift C1 now. This one hasn't got the cover over the back so you can get a bit of a look at the curve. So it's the same as the other lift, 1,814 kgs or 24 persons. Hopefully we're not going to stop.
Doors opening. Particular master code. Level 2. Papa to a bar. Doors closing. Take a copy. Master code.
We are back down at level 2.
Doors opening. Particular master code. Level 2.
See all the way up the shaft. We'll just go back up to level 12 now.
Take a copy. Master code.
These are very nice new lifts. Again, as this one hasn't got the protective cover on the back, we can sort of see what the cab looks like.
Particular master
Going up? Where are you going?
Level 3. Papa to a
Which floor are you going to?
Oh, you're talking to me?
Yes.
11, thank you.
master code.
Oh, stopping again.
Doors opening.
Going up. Which floor are you going to? 11?
I was over in G&B, but Lex told me to get my ass over here.
Yeah, she called me as well. I was writing a paper. Had my head.
I know when you're knee deep into something,
Yeah.
right? Yeah.
Doors closing.
Oh,
Take
yeah.
a copy.
It's
Master
not going on at the
code.
moment.
Yeah, I heard lots of asbestos stuff.
Yeah.
You right?
Yeah. Yeah. It's just intense.
Here we are up at 11.
To fix anything.
Doors opening. Particular master code. Level
Oh, 12. Sorry.
Oh, you want to go to 12?
Sorry. Are you okay there?
Yeah, I'm just filming the lift.
Oh, okay.
That's what I do for just what I do for a hobby.
Doors
Okay.
I don't film people. I would never film people.
We're happy to be film stars. How much are you paying?
This is 12.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Have a good day.
You too.
Level 12. Papa to Colorado. Doors closing. Take a copy.
Get a look at the indicator going down. Right. Hopefully a non-stop ride this time. Yep, non-stop. Now we'll just go to level 3, then we'll end the take there.
Master code. level 2. Papa Tuapa, doors closing.
Right.
Take their cupboard after code.
It's cool having these, voice announcements in here though, like Te Papa's, the glass lift at Te Papa's also got them as well. Both lifts comes free. Here it goes. And that's it.